हूँ हमारी खूबसूरत सेगमेंट की तरफ and that segment is brought to you by Desi Diwar and we have the founder of Desi Diwar, Sonal Kulshrestha, in studio with me. Good morning, Sonal. How are you doing?
Good morning, Neetu. Doing very well, thank you. And a very good morning to the listeners of Radio Hot Pepper and to the readers of Desi Diwar who are tuned in also. And I want to thank you, as always, for having me over on this beautiful Morning Chai Dil Se segment of yours.
And it's a pleasure for me.
Absolutely, this is fun.
Yes, definitely. So move on करते हैं. आज का हमारा सेगमेंट शायद काफी लोगों को रुला दे, सोनल. शायद कई लोगों के चेहरे पे हंसी ला दे. तो ये मिक्स्ड सा हमारा स्पाइसी सा खट्टा मीठा सा खूबसूरत सेगमेंट हम बनाने वाले हैं आज के अगले 1 घंटे को. तो आपका वंस मोर टाइम बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ इन द स्टूडियो एंड थैंक यू सो मच. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हम आज का सेगमेंट शुरू करने वाले हैं देसी दीवार विद सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा एंड आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है दैट इज आवर फादर्स. सो सोनल, व्हाट यू हैव टू से ऑन दैट?
Me too. Like as always, I would first want to warm up us ourselves as well as the listeners to the topic, and for that I want to request you to play the song "Aa Chal Ke Tujhe Main Leke Chalu."
Oh, that's a
This
beautiful
is suggested
song.
by Sumit Mohan from Phoenix, Arizona, and I think इस मूवी का नाम है दूर गगन की छाँव में from 1964, जिसमें किशोर कुमार sings it for his son, I believe.
Okay.
Okay.
मुझे याद नहीं है मूवी का यस, बट ये गाना बहुत प्यारा है एंड आई रिमेम्बर अक्सर मैं बचपन में अपने ये इस गाने को गुनगुनाती
I know,
थी.
it's
चलिए
a
ठीक है,
beautiful song.
डेफिनेटली हम इस गाने को सुनते हैं, वार्म अप करते हैं. और लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इफ यू हैव एनी सेइंग ऑन आवर फादर्स, डेफिनेटली द स्टूडियो नंबर्स 8174681220.
आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले. आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले. सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे. कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव मिले, लंबी सी डगर न खले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले. जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए, आजाद गगन लहराए, जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए, आजाद गगन लहराए, जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए, जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए, सपनों में पली हंसती हो कली जहाँ शाम सुहानी ढले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले। सपनों के ऐसे जहां में जहां प्यार ही प्यार खिला हो, हम जाके वहां खो जाएं, शिकवा न कोई गिला हो, कहीं बैर न हो कोई गैर न हो, सब मिल के यूं चलते चले, जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं
एक ऐसे गगन के तले,
So you
जहाँ
see-
गम भी न हो आंसू
Beautiful.
भी न हो, बस प्यार
Beautiful,
ही प्यार
Neetu, beautiful.
पले। क्या बात है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना सोनल,
I know.
truly enjoyed it. Thank you
Really
so much.
beautiful. So you see, Neetu, given that power, a father would literally provide a world like that for his children, right?
बिल्कुल।
जहाँ गम भी न हो, आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले.
बिल्कुल।
Now that's a father for you, right?
That's a father for
Now
us.
the essence of that role has not really changed over the years. Although the image of a father, the characteristics of a father and a child relationship has evolved over the years, right?
Definitely. And I understand that because we have been discussing about this evolution in the beginning of my show. Also, I said that father is not able to express himself, right? Especially old time fathers.
I know.
They love their child, but they don't know how to
Right.
express their child that they love them.
I
तो
know.
इसी वजह से काफी रीजन होता था कि पुराने जमाने में बच्चे माँ के ज्यादा करीब होते थे, बाप को समझते थे कि ही इज अ वेरी सॉलिड फिगर, ही इज लाइक अ फिगर ऑफ गुस्सा, ऑफ एंगर, ऑफ जोर जबरदस्ती टाइप, यू नो, उसको वो महसूस नहीं किया जाता था कि एक बाप का भी दिल होता है, बाप के सीने में भी दिल होता है, और उसको हम उस तरीके से महसूस करें.
Right, right.
But anyways, Sonal, we will now go ahead and talk about the 3 generations of fathers. मेरे ख्याल में जो हमने महसूस किया है, सी हमारे grandfathers हुए हैं, then हमारे fathers हुए हैं. Now we have our husbands as our fathers also. Of course, हमारे बच्चे भी कल को जो बेटे हैं वो भी father बनेंगे. तो we have couple of those generations. Let's start with our grandfather Yonner.
Yeah, Neetu, exactly what you said, right? So, although we have seen our grandfathers' interactions with our parents,
Right.
we know from what we hear that what we saw was a much mellowed down version of what they actually were as fathers. Like you said, right? बहुत सख्त सी image होती थी and
बिल्कुल,
all, right?
बिल्कुल.
So it seemed that the driving motto of fatherhood in those times was often, I won't say definitely always, but it was often spare the cane and spoil the child, right?
Right.
And you know, most fathers, quite a few fathers in those times did not believe in sparing the cane, right?
Right.
There was no question of spoiling the child. And of course, boys had it harder. Daughters were still, of
exactly.
course, not subjected to that. And the salient feature of the father-child relationship, I would summarize in 3 points. First, beware of the cane. Now,
Yes.
even though the cane was probably often not used per se,
Right.
father was the feared figure of the family.
Exactly.
Right? Exactly like you said.
Yes.
And second thing was any discussion on any potentially embarrassing subject was avoided.
Yes.
And we'll talk more of this later. And third, display of public affection was not that common either. Of course, love was always
It
there.
was always
right?
there, yes.
No matter what era we talk of, the underlying factor behind everything that a father did was love.
Love,
Right?
exactly.
And the children felt love when nurtured. There was no question about that. Although display of affection was left to the lady of the house, right?
Exactly.
Maybe something like the good cop, bad cop. Father was projected as the strict one.
Yes.
He was the authoritative figure of the family. He was the one to discipline the kids, right? Whereas mom was the soft-hearted ones, right? Now, fathers didn't hang around with their kids as much, maybe perhaps because the number of kids were so many, 6 to 8, and
Right.
there was the question of managing them, educating them, feeding them, clothing them. I'm sure it was not easy, right,
Exactly,
for the fathers
exactly.
those days. And of course, whatever we are saying here, there were exceptions. There were some family in which mother was the more strict one of the two.
Right.
But largely father was regarded as the the
I
feared
remember,
figure.
I remember a common dialogue जो mothers हमेशा use करती थी. In fact, आज के ज़माने में भी I'm sure use करती होंगी. शाम को तेरे पापा को आने दे, मैं बताती हूँ उनको. Right?
Exactly, I know.
बहुत common phrase होता है
So
ये.
that's what I say, maybe good cop bad cop खेलते ही थे वो लोग, है ना?
Exactly.
अच्छा, मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी लेकिन पापा को आने दे. Right? So anyway, whatever the relationship, Neetu, between the father and his kids, the remnant of what we witnessed was pretty much the same all across.
Exactly.
First, there was a special tone of voice that was reserved for addressing the father.
Yes.
And then second, there was not too many issues brought up out in the open, right? It was just like shoved under the rug, because discussing too many issues was akin to arguing,
Right.
and that was not considered very respectful.
That was
not at
considered.
all, right?
Exactly. Very true.
And so we had asked, people from that era to share their stories. And, on Radio Hot Pepper or Desi Devar, we had asked them. And I have a couple of stories from that time.
Okay.
So there's Sushma Verma, who grew up in the 1950s and 60s in Varanasi, in India. She says her father was extremely strict,
Okay.
and more so with her brothers.
Okay.
But over the years, he softened a lot and turned out to be a very loving and modern father-in-law to his daughter-in-laws.
Aw.
He never expected them to cover their heads. He hugged them often and even left a property in their names.
That's
so
very
he
nice.
changed a
Yes,
lot.
yes.
And that is the version that the grandkids saw probably, right? So then there's Pushpa Verma from Ohio. She shares a similar story. She says in the 1950s and 60s, most fathers in the neighborhood were feared. She and her 7 siblings would disperse and hide every time they heard the sound of the father's khadaun.
Right.
Remember that khadaun, that chappal of that time?
Oh, okay,
right?
okay. Gotcha,
So that
gotcha.
वो आवाज
जब
करती
आवाज
है,
करती है.
खट खट खट, right?
जी, जी, जी.
So he was very funny and a kind person, but something about his presence brought out the good behavior in all of them.
Right.
In fact, when the youngest one cried, the older siblings would go to the gate and make noise. So the child would think that the father is back and quieten down.
Right.
Then I have another story from Manjusha Kumar of Michigan. She says her father was an exception. He never scolded or hit his children, and
Oh, that's
mom
nice.
was the strict one of the family,
Oh, wow.
and the motivating and the disciplining one in the family.
That was back home.
Yeah,
They
that-
were-
back in India.
Back in India?
Right,
Okay.
right. And in fact, she says when she got married and came to the US, her father was heartbroken. And so she
Aw.
has a song to request. She says if we could play Babul ki duaएं लेती जानी तू.
Oh, that's a very touching song. लेकिन जरूर अगर इनकी request है, yeah, what's her name one more time?
Manjusha Kumar from Michigan.
Manjusha Kumarji, I hope you're tuned in right now. And yes, indeed, it is a very emotional song. बहुत ही खूबसूरत request आपने की है. और हर बेटी जो अपने बाप का घर छोड़ती है, शादी से पहले, शादी के बाद छोड़कर अपने नए घर में जाती है, तब उसको उस वक्त याद आती है. उस वक्त मैंने ये महसूस किया है, सोनल, एंड दैट्स माय पर्सनल फीलिंग ऑफ कोर्स, एंड आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ द वुमेन लिसनिंग टू मी राइट नाउ दे कैन रिलेट इट, कि वो लड़की आई थिंक अपने बाप के गले से लग के ज्यादा रोती है rather than माँ के गले से लग के.
ये स्पेशली ये गाना भी बैकग्राउंड में बजता है, राइट?
बिल्कुल.
एकदम ही लाइक दिल भारी सा हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल दिल भारी हो जाता है, और इट टचेस योर फीलिंग्स, टचेस योर रेन्स कंप्लीटली.
Exactly.
एंड
And आज भी, राइट, चाहे नॉट जस्ट उस
बिल्कुल,
जमाने में,
बिल्कुल,
आज भी वो गाना बजता है.
आज भी
लाइक
गाना
ए
बजता है.
क्लासिक.
Yes, it's a classic song.
टू रिफ्लेक्ट दैट रिलेशनशिप.
Indeed.
और
और
फादर की फीलिंग्स होती है उस टाइम.
एग्जैक्टली. और वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि आई थिंक आज भी एक लड़की जब शादी होकर निकलती है अपनी डोली में या अपने ससुराल में जाती है, आई थिंक शी क्राइज मोर बाय एम्ब्रेसिंग हर फादर rather than her mother. And then of course the later on relationship it's different, she has that personal touch with her mother, but kahin na kahin that father figure is always there, and it is a kind of that supporting figure कि यार एक father है मेरे साथ, तो मैं पूरी दुनिया से झांसी की रानी बन के लड़ सकती हूँ, मतलब she gets that feeling.
तो बिल्कुल,
चलिए ठीक है, बिल्कुल सुनते हैं इस गाने को on the request of Manjusha from Ohio.
जा तुझको सुखी संसार मिले, बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा तुझको सुखी संसार मिले, मैके की कभी ना याद आए, ससुराल में इतना प्यार मिले, बाबुल की दुआएं।
इस सेगमेंट का पर्पस ये नहीं है कि हम आपको रुलाएं, लेकिन एक खूबसूरत सी मेमोरी है जो फादर्स डे इज जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर, तो हम उन्हें याद करते हुए ज़रूर इस पेशकश को निभाना चाहते हैं। अगर आप लोगों के पास कुछ भी सेइंग है, कुछ भी शेयर करना चाहते हैं अपने फादर की मेमोरी, या एक फादर अपने बच्चे के लिए कुछ मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली गिव अस अ कॉल। 8174681220 इज द स्टूडियो नंबर।
मैंने कलियों की तरह फूलों की तरह बचपन में झुलाया है तुझको, बाहों ने मेरी झूलों की तरह, मेरे बाग की ऐ नाजुक डाली, तुझे हर पल नई बहार मिले, मैके की कभी ना याद आए, ससुराल में इतना प्यार मिले। जिस घर से बंधे हैं भाग तेरे, उस घर में सदा तेरा राज रहे, होठों पे हंसी की धूप खिले, माथे पे खुशी का ताज रहे, कभी जिसकी जोत ना हो फीकी, तुझे ऐसा रूप सिंगार मिले, मैके की कभी ना याद आए, ससुराल में इतना प्यार मिले। बीते तेरे जीवन की घड़ियां आराम की ठंडी छाँव में, कांटा भी न चुभने पाए कभी मेरी लाडली तेरे पाँव में, उस द्वार से भी दुख दूर रहे, जिस द्वार से तेरा द्वार मिले, मैके की कभी ना याद आए, ससुराल
मैके की कभी याद ना आए, ससुराल में इतना प्यार मिले। ये हर माँ हर बाप दुआ करते हैं अपने बेटी के लिए जब वो अपनी डोली से जा रही होती है अपने नए घर की तरफ। चलिए फिलहाल हम जाते हैं एक नए घर की तरफ, और वो है द एक्सीडेंट रिपोर्ट। फिलहाल एक नया एक्सीडेंट इमर्ज अप हुआ है ऑन हाईवे 30 वेस्ट एट मुंगर बुलेवार्ड। दैट एक्सीडेंट जस्ट अकर्ड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन 2 minutes ago, and want to update you that it is causing traffic on lane 1. इसके अलावा we have some high water risk around highway 360 south at Riverside, 360 north at Riverside. There's also a stalled vehicle over there which is causing traffic on the left shoulder. We have high high water risk at Highway 114 East at Northeast Highway and on Highway 75 North at Park View Avenue as well. इसके अलावा there's a minor high water risk around Spur 348 West at Riverside Drive. Keeping an eye on that traffic, ladies and gentlemen, सुनते रहें Radio Hot Pepper 1220 AM. We are in communication right now with Sonal Kulshrestha from Desi Diwar. वेलकम बैक लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. रिज्यूम करते हैं अपनी डिस्कशन को. सोनल जी, हमने बात की अपने ग्रैंड फादर्स की. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू आवर फादर्स. व्हाट डू यू हैव अ मेमोरी अबाउट योर फादर? लेट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस दैट.
या नीतू, हमारे our fathers were very different from their own fathers, right? Parenting style had evolved to sparing the cane, right? Mother's role largely stayed the same, but father's role had drastically changed. We were pampered by our fathers and mothers alike, right? And I think we grew up in our father's laps, learned to walk on their bellies, reached for the stars on their shoulders, right? Our fathers had various different nicknames for us. They played cards with us. They made chai for us during our exams time. And, they did a lot of things. They discussed our days, our plans, our futures. They shared our disappointments with us. They celebrated our achievements with us. Right? So our fathers did all that in a much more involved and expressive manner. Right? So, but I think, Neetu, I still have to say my father did all of that, right? But one thing had not changed, though. Apparently, there still wasn't any need to discuss anything embarrassing.
Exactly.
Right? So the conversation barriers were the birds and the beestalks. You know what I'm talking about, right? We were at the mercy of anyone who was willing to impart us the wisdom of procreation, right? So I had a friend who had a young aunt, her chachi, who passed her knowledge to her, and then my friend was kind enough to share it with me in high school. So most of my friends tell similar tales of their first finding or some version of the actual science, right? So obviously myths and fictions did abound, right? But that's another story. Bottom line is, dads didn't discuss dude stuffs with their sons, and moms merely mumbled the womanly stuff to their daughters, right? Now, I'm generalizing it here. There are exceptions to all of the scenarios that I'm presenting here, right? But then there was another aspect to this. Since the knowledge didn't come from the parents, the questions didn't go to them either, right? And unfortunately, neither did the issues.
That was that gap over there.
Yeah, exactly. So, many of my friends discuss how they never told their parents when they were harassed by the street velas. Vela is the Delhi slang for people who have nothing better to do than sit by the street side. So they never told their parents if they were harassed by the street velas or if they were inappropriately rubbed against by a pervert on a bus, right? Or even if somebody groped them, somebody they actually knew. So, we never took these incidents to our parents.
Right.
But, we might not have taken these incidents to our parents, but their love certainly gave a sense of security and confidence in us to move past these minor issues and walk with our head held high, right?
Yes.
And they even in fact gave us a sense of leading a sheltered life.
And there was, I think I would like to point out one thing. I think, Sonal, what you're saying, that fear was there not to talk to them about anything like that happened. That was more of a teenager thing. I think when you are in that, between that age of 13 to 19 or something, you're kind of immature. So you don't know how your parents will even react. You don't have that confidence level. You trust them. You have that security blanket that they are there with you, but you don't have that confidence level ki, oh my god, if I'm going to talk to them, what will they think? Maybe I'm at fault. But then when you move on to your 20s, early 20s, you realize that they are there for you.
Exactly.
If you tell them, they will understand that it is not your fault or
बिल्कुल,
anything. It is the surrounding, the atmosphere, it is like that.
And I think हम maybe in some way we want to protect them also, right?
Exactly,
Because हमें
exactly.
लगता है उन्हें दुख होगा सुन
दुख
के,
होगा,
है ना,
yes,
इसलिए शायद
yes.
हम नहीं बताए.
बिल्कुल,
But
बिल्कुल.
whatever, चाहे हम न भी बताए हो उन्हें, मुझे लगता है फिर भी we had that security, that confidence in their love,
yes.
and from their love in ourselves,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So we felt like we have led a very sheltered life,
Oh,
right?
absolutely, absolutely.
So, and also because of the love and respect that we got from our fathers, our expectations were high from our husbands,
yes,
right?
yes, yes,
Because we wanted that love and respect from them. And also, I would say another common feature of the father-child relationship when we were kids was that most of the parents of that generation probably didn't constantly harp the I love you line to their children. Not in so many words. But after all, action speaks louder
Yes,
than
yes.
words, right?
Yes.
And their actions did speak very loud to us, right? We knew that they
We
love
knew
us,
that. We
right?
knew that.
Even though they did not say it that many times, we knew it. And their love was certainly felt in 1,000 different ways, in little things that they did or said, right? So our fathers, our parents actually were and always will be the wind beneath our wings.
Exactly.
Right? Now that we have long left the nest, their role in our life is still that of a guiding light.
Exactly.
Right? We might not have a very special tone with which we address them, but we revere them, right? And हम फिर भी थोड़ी अदब से तो बात करते हैं,
बिल्कुल
right?
है,
अपने
अभी
पेरेंट्स
भी
से,
है.
अपने इन-लॉज से, आप
Yes.
खाइए, आप बैठिए,
बिल्कुल,
ऐसे. So, and again, we have some stories from people from our generation who have shared their story about their father. Geeta Sule from Texas, she says, in addition to everything that you say, my father gave us his love for reading. He enjoyed reading and he constantly introduced different books to us.
Aww.
So that was very sweet, I thought. And then there's Juhi Sinha from UK. She has this to share. She says, my father always believed in me even when I didn't.
Okay.
And he knew exactly how to cheer me up. When I would cry about my result, he would say, sky is not held on your marks and it's not going to fall if you didn't come first. And then, he would shine with pride at my achievements and he thought I was the most beautiful and most intelligent girl.
Oh, that's so sweet.
That's so sweet.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Neetu, I feel exactly that way about my father. He did every single one of that thing. And my brother and my sister and I, in fact, want to dedicate a song to our father, to my
Bataiye.
dad in Greater Noida in India, on behalf of everyone from our generation, because
Right.
I'm sure everyone will relate to this. The song is Papa. It's a Father's Day special by Neha Kakkar and her brother Tony Kakkar. This was released last year on Father's Day.
Okay, is it like, हाँ, right, I remember that. ये बहुत ही प्यारा है और इसमें ज़्यादा musical instruments नहीं है. I remember इन्होंने जैसे studio में kind of एक
हाँ,
गाया हुआ है.
right.
I remember this song. I have played this beautiful song earlier also
I
in my
think
show.
मैंने सुना है जब तुमने play किया है
बिल्कुल
रेडियो
बिल्कुल
में.
बिल्कुल
हाँ,
डेफिनेटली. तो
It is a very
चलिए
beautiful
डेफिनेटली सुनते हैं इस गाने को एंड अ डेडिकेशन गोइंग आउट फ्रॉम Sonal Kulshrestha and her brothers and sisters to their dear father, and his name is
song. रवीश वर्मा.
रवीश वर्मा. चलिए रवीश जी, आपको डेडिकेशन जा रही है आपके बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्यारे बच्चों की तरफ से इस खूबसूरत गाने के साथ.
सपने अपने समझ कर पूरा उनको करते हो, उन सपनों की कीमत क्या क्या सह के अदा करते हो. पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो. पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो.
दो कपड़े कम पास तुम्हारे, तुमको ये नहीं परवाह है। बच्चों को कुछ कमी रहे ना, इसी बात का झगड़ा है।
अपने लिए बाजार हो जाते, मेरे लिए ले आते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो। दुख हो चाहे सुख हो तुम्हारी, आंखें नम नहीं होती हैं। दिल से निकलती मेरे लिए दुआएं कम नहीं होती हैं।
गुस्से में कभी बात करूं तो मन ही मन सह जाते हो।
पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो। है मालूम कि मेरी खातिर तुम जान भी दे सकते हो।
एक इंसान नहीं सारे जहां से मेरे लिए लड़ सकते हो।
मेरी तरफ एक आँच भी आए तो खुद आगे आ जाते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो।
वेलकम बैक लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से में आप सबका स्वागत है। और ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना सुन रहे थे, पापा तुम कुछ नहीं कहते हो सब कुछ सहते हो। टोनी कक्कड़ उनके भाई के साथ इस गाने को, और सोनल आपने मुझे बताया कि ये उनके भाई ने ही लिखा भी है ये गाना।
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't know that.
It's
I didn't know that.
Beautiful song.
Yes, it's a very beautiful song, definitely. I remember, मेरी भी कुछ memories हैं, कुछ memories नहीं यार, बहुत सारी memories हैं, but definitely I will move on now to husbands जो हमारे बच्चों के अब पापा हैं। तो उन हस्बैंड्स के बारे में ये बहुत ही डिफरेंट जनरेशन है। आई पर्सनली फील लाइक माई हस्बैंड, he tries to spend time with the kids despite his busy schedule. He will make sure that kids get, like आजकल समर हॉलीडेज अब उनकी शुरू हो चुकी है मेरे बच्चों की, तो he will try to make an effort कि उनके साथ मस्ती करनी है, टाइम स्पेंड करना है उनको, एट द सेम टाइम उनको पढ़ाई का भी याद दिलाते रहेंगे। तो दैट इज कॉन्स्टेंट थिंग कि इन हस्बैंड्स के जो आजकल की जनरेशन है उनके हस्बैंड्स के दिमाग में कितनी चीजें चल रही हैं एट द सेम टाइम। दे विल ट्राई टू टेक केयर ऑफ द किड्स, द फैमिली, देयर वर्क, देयर वाइफ ऑल्सो, देयर मदर ऑल्सो, मतलब ऑल दोज थिंग्स वी डोंट रियलाइज इट। आई थिंक आई पर्सनली फील वेरी स्ट्रांगली इस बात को कि बहुएं जो होती हैं या बेटियां जो होती हैं, लड़कियां जो होती हैं या मदर्स जो होती हैं, कुछ किसी भी रूप में आप ले लो इस औरत को, दे समटाइम्स गेट सेल्फ सेंटर्ड। दे थिंक कि जो हो रहा है कि हम सब कुछ करते हैं, वी टेक केयर ऑफ द फैमिली, एंड विच इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट इट, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बट वी समटाइम्स फॉरगेट टू रियलाइज दैट हस्बैंड्स, मैन, this generation also takes care of lot of things we sometimes tend to ignore.
Yeah, and they need to be appreciated as much as we need to be appreciated.
Exactly.
I know that need is the same.
Exactly.
The need of appreciation. Every human being wants to be appreciated.
Every human being. And now we will move on to our husbands, Sonal. So आप इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगी? And one more time I want to remind all my ladies and gentlemen who are listening to us right now on the airwaves of Radio Hot Pepper, if you have any saying on your fathers or if anything you want to discuss or share with us, the studio number is 817-468-1220. तो बताइए सोनल कि अब आज की जनरेशन के हस्बैंड्स के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ नीतू, so today's father treats his daughter like a little princess.
Oh, definitely.
And their sons like a mini superhero, right? So the dads these days are all about often saying I love you in that many words and more.
Yes,
right?
yes.
They are involved and they participate right from changing their baby's diapers to doing their part during nighttime feeds
Yes.
to being on top of their classes, be it Kathak or Karate, basketball or Bharatnatyam.
Yes,
They are
yes.
on top of
They
it.
are,
right?
definitely.
Now, mothers may still be the go-to person for questions and concerns, but fathers are definitely not taking a back seat.
Yes.
Right?
No, not at
And
all.
the kids these days, they know and they feel that. They understand. They
Yes.
can sense it, right?
They can sense it.
So then, I mean, that is today's dads for you, right?
Right, definitely. So, what about the bees and the birds discussion that you were talking about? Let me
Yeah.
know a little bit more about that.
So about that, Neetu, I think today's dads are ready to take on those talks with their kids.
Okay.
I really feel that. He's ready to be equal partner in sex educating their his kids at whatever level the need might arise. Even though it is just, generally overviewing the video recording on sex education that the kids are going to be shown in school the following day.
Right.
Just so that he is available in case there are any questions and concerns.
Right.
But I feel here is where the father's role has evolved the most, Neetu. In this age of easy access to both desired and undesired information,
Right.
both sought after and then in your face information, it is very important. It has become very, very important for the father to guide his kids towards the right and reliable information source, right? To put the right kind of filters in the computer and the tablets that the kids use, right? To warn them of the dangers lurking around in the World Wide Web,
Right.
Right? It has become very important in today's time because there's so much more at stake if fathers or parents, for that matter, are not completely involved,
Right.
Because it's also very important to teach the kids to not misuse the power of technology, to constantly reiterate some basic principles. Like first, to never take a picture or a video of a girl or for that matter a boy without her or his consent.
Right.
It's way too easy these days,
Yes,
right? There's
yes, yes.
cameras everywhere. Never to send your own picture or a video to anyone either, right? And second, to never share or forward any text, picture, video that is meant for him or her alone, right? And the means are many these days and the risks are much more because millions can get access to something confidential in a matter of minutes,
Right.
So that makes it really important that they understand that, and you have to constantly tell them that, right?
Yes, definitely.
So in today's age, just being a good role model is not enough, does not suffice, right?
Definitely. One
And-
second, Sonal.
Yeah,
I think
sure.
I have somebody on air. Let's quickly take them and then we'll continue our discussion.
Absolutely.
Good morning. Oh, we lost you. No worries. Give us a call back. 817-468-1220. Chaliye, continue कीजिए.
Also, Neetu, before we end the current generation, I have to add this. With all the pampering and the attention and the goofing around that
Yes.
dads do with the kids,
Yes.
the fear of the father is gone from kids' mind.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, and that is not necessarily bad. Now, as long as we always remember that end of the day, we are the parent, right? Sadly, I think we often are guilty of giving in when as a parent we should really take a stand, right? And
But I think आजकल के generation के parents are more easy going also.
हाँ, बहुत
They
easygoing
they
है.
don't care about छोटी छोटी जो चीजें अगर life में हो रही हैं, they don't care it and they don't take it too much to their that रोआब वाला जो
हाँ, वो
atmosphere.
तो चला ही गया,
बिल्कुल,
रोआब वाला एटमॉस्फेयर तो चला ही
बिल्कुल,
गया, राइट?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
एंड तभी लाइक ऐसा भी नहीं कि बच्चे हमसे बहुत ही ज्यादा अदब से बात करते हैं
जी।
बिकॉज वी goof around with them,
We
we
goof
have
around.
fun.
Yes, yes,
You know, इसलिए फिर भी it's important कि always make sure that we are the parent in the sense अगर बच्चे कभी हमें respect नहीं दे रहे हैं तो make sure every single time that they change that changes.
That changes because that respect still needs to be there.
It needs to
even
be
though we are goofing around and we are having fun with them, but at the same time they also need to understand that ultimately we are parents, and we have seen more time than the kids.
Exactly.
And so they need to not only respect us but at the same time respect our decisions sometimes that because we will take good decisions for them. So
because मैं देखती हूँ जैसे हमारे बच्चे डिज्नी चैनल इतना देखते हैं, एंड आई डोंट नो नीतू इफ यू हैव नोटिस डिज्नी चैनल के जितने भी शोज आते हैं उसमें पेरेंट्स आर नथिंग बट ए बिग गुफ बॉल्स, एंड बच्चे तो बड़े स्मार्ट रहते हैं, उनको सब आता है, उनको सब आता है. Now sometimes we do feel that because in this age of technology it's getting harder for us to keep up with what kids know.
No, that's definitely, that is very true.
So it is, but then end of the day we should remember that we are the parent, that
we are the parents.
We make the rules of the house, keeping in view what is best for them. Right?
That's true.
So वो होता है. But again we have stories from our listeners and readers.
Gee, I would love to hear those stories as well.
So there is Amita Achari from Houston, Texas. She shares this. She says every time her teenage daughters head out to party with friends, their dad tells them two statements. Remember who you are. Remember where you come from. Finally, one day our daughters remarked that dad's voice rings in our head. So needless to say, that is exactly what the dad was hoping will happen.
Right.
So then, Neetu, I have a song request from a bunch of 16-year-old girls who once danced to this song when they were 5. So these girls are Rashi, Sanika, Anushka and Janvi. And the song is Papa Ki Pari Hu Main.
Oh, that's a beautiful song. Isn't that from the movie Kareena Kapoor's Main Prem Ki Diwani Hu?
Yeah, bilkul wahi movie, Neetu.
Bilkul, definitely. So say the names of the girls one more time. Rashi,
Sanika, Anushka and Janvi.
Awesome, wonderful. Thank you so much, girls. Beautiful girls. आप लोगों ने इस गाने पे डांस किया, perform किया. I'll speak in English because I'm sure these are all the young girls. And they have performed when they were all 5-year-old. And you guys are 16 today. Did I hear that right?
Yes, they are 16.
They are all 16 and they have a beautiful dedication, this song going out from all these wonderful girls to their wonderful, wonderful dads. Enjoy this song. Studio numbers 817-468-1220. If you have any saying on Father's Day, ladies and gentlemen, all the beautiful girls, prince and princesses out there who are listening to us right now.
पापा की परी हूँ मैं, परी हूँ मैं. जल्दी से लड़की की कर दूं सगाई. लड़के का पहले फोटो दिखाया, फिर मुझसे पूछा पसंद आया. मैंने कहा ना रे ना 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 ना. लड़का जो देखने आएगा मुझको, ना मैं शर्माऊंगी, ना पलकें झुकाऊंगी, ना मुस्कुराऊंगी. देखूंगी उसको फिर हाँ करूंगी, वरना कहूंगी उससे जा 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 जा। मेरा जो होगा कुछ ऐसा होगा जो प्यार बनकर दिल में रहेगा। मम्मी को मेरी समझेगा मम्मी, पापा को मेरे पापा कहेगा, फिर मैं कहूंगी उसे हाँ 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 हाँ। मेरे लिए जो बना है ये जहां तुझको है, पाना मुझे मुश्किल है, फूलों जैसा मेरा दिल है। आकर देख ले पापा की परी हूँ मैं।
डेफिनेटली इंडीड सोनल, बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना, और ये आजकल की जनरेशन की लड़कियां भी गाती हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर कुछ डिफरेंट वर्जन के साथ लड़के भी गाते ही होंगे अपने डैड्स के लिए, डेफिनेटली। तो सोनल, अब मूव ऑन करते हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन की तरफ, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ डैड्स, जो एक्चुअली हमारे बच्चे, स्पेशली हमारे बेटे जिसे कहेंगे, बहुत सारे जो हमारे लिसनर्स हैं उनके बेटे आगे जाके अपनी बहुओं को लेकर आएंगे, शादियां करेंगे, और फिर वो भी पापा, बिल्कुल वो भी बच्चे करेंगे और फिर वो पापा बन जाएंगे,
फिर पापा बनेंगे।
तो व्हाट डू यू हैव अ विजन ऑफ दोज किड्स एज पापा? मैं तो अपने बेटे को सोच भी नहीं सकती अच्छा
I
पापा।
know, it's too early, right? And if they do listen to us talking, they'll be rolling their eyes, Neetu.
Exactly,
Right?
definitely.
But well, I think we'll all agree that they, if and when they choose to be a father,
जी.
will do well, right?
जी.
They know they are the center of our universe, right? And they know that the place that kids have in the life of their parents, right?
बिल्कुल.
So I'm sure we'll all agree that, you know, although each subsequent generation of dads don't necessarily love their kids more,
Right.
but you know, armed with the good they see growing up, combined with knowing what they missed, and then adding what each new era educates, I think, you know, just putting that the entire package together, they do well.
They will definitely
they
do
will
well.
definitely do well as a father.
मुझे ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है उस जनरेशन से। आप देखिए कितनी हर जनरेशन के साथ, एज वी हैव टॉक्ड, यू नो, विद एवरी जनरेशन इट हैज मूव टुवर्ड्स लीनियंसी, राइट? ग्रैंडफादर से आपने शुरू किया, हमारे फादर्स की तरफ मूव ऑन किए, हमारे फादर्स तक ही काफी जनरेशन फर्क पड़ गई। विद आवर हस्बैंड्स एज यू नो फादर्स, इट इज अ लॉट मोर डिफरेंट। देयर इज नो that element of fearness और hesitation बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो चुकी है। तो
एंड क्या बढ़ता गया, आई थिंक इन्वॉल्वमेंट एंड पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ता गया,
ये बढ़ती रही है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
एंड एक्सप्रेसिव नेचर बढ़ता गया,
बिल्कुल,
you know, that expression of love, that display of public affection,
बिल्कुल। और इसके साथ मदर्स का नेचर बिल्कुल नहीं चेंज हुआ है। वो जो एटीट्यूड पहले मदर्स का होता था, आई वुड टॉक अबाउट लाइक ग्रैंड मदर्स एंड देन मदर्स एंड देन टुडे प्रेजेंट डे विमेन, मतलब द ओनली डिफरेंस आई थिंक उसमें ये आया है कि नाउ विमेन इज इक्वली वर्किंग, तो husbands are there to share that part of the family duties. I think
exactly,
I
they
think
are
that
taking
helps.
on more and more
Exactly.
role, and I think even women are balancing their motherhood and their
Exactly.
you know, everything else in life so much more.
Exactly.
They have to juggle all that also. So I know with that, Neetu, how about what about your kids? Do they want to make a dedication?
Definitely. मेरे बच्चों ने, आज मैंने उनको बताया कि you know, Miss Sonal will be coming in the studio, and they said you know, that's a beautiful thing, and you guys are going to talk about like fathers. That's a wonderful thing. You know, they truly appreciated कि उनकी fathers को dedication कई बार कम जाती है, जिसे हम कहते हैं, जो हमेशा you know, it's in the backdrop.
Moms walk away with the credit.
Moms walk away with the credit. Yes, of course. You know, Mother's Day की ज्यादा वो होती है, पर आजकल मैंने देखा है स्पेशली यूएस में तो है, आई डोंट नो अबाउट हमारी देसी कंट्रीज में, वहां पे इतना अभी फादर्स डे का इतना क्रेज नहीं हुआ है, एंड आई होप कि हो जाए शुरू, बिकॉज आई थिंक फादर्स डिजर्व दैट काइंड ऑफ क्रेडिट, दैट स्पेशल
आर्ट विद आर्चीज एंड हॉलमार्क एंड ऑल कार्ड्स एंड ऑल तो बहुत आने लगे हैं,
बिल्कुल आने लगे हैं, लेकिन अभी भी वो क्रेज नहीं हुआ है जो मदर्स डे का या वैलेंटाइंस का होगा, मतलब कहने का मतलब तो यहाँ पे काफी है। अब यू कैन सी ऑलरेडी फादर्स डे पे लाइक काफी स्टोर्स में सेल वगैरह शुरू हो गई है, सो यू कैन टेल दैट कि यहाँ पे रिकग्निशन है इस चीज की काफी, बट आई एम होपिंग कि हमारी कंट्रीज में भी बैक होम जो होम्स हैं देसी कंट्रीज, उसमें भी ये चीज का उतना ही इन्फ्लुएंस शुरू हो जाए। पर यस, मेरे बच्चे डेडिकेट करना चाहते हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना, जिसके साथ हम आज का सेगमेंट भी खत्म करेंगे। डेफिनेटली सोनल, वन मोर टाइम वांना थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट फॉर कमिंग टू द स्टूडियो एंड गिविंग दैट वंडरफुल डिस्कशन, गिविंग वंडरफुल insights onto Father's.
Neetu, the pleasure is all mine. And yes, before we end, I want to wish all the fathers and their families out there a very happy Father's Day. So Father's Day is 21st June. Have lots of fun with your fathers. And once again, Neetu, thank you very much on inviting me on this very awesome morning Chai Dil Se.
Thank you so much. It's totally our pleasure. So ladies and gentlemen, सुनते हैं इस आखिरी गाने को, जो कि फादर्स डे पे है तो नहीं अभी, पर शुरुआत करने में क्या डर है फादर्स के, क्योंकि जून का महीना शुरू हो गया है। जून के महीने के साथ फादर्स डे की खूबसूरत जो पेशकश है वो भी शुरू हो जाती है। सो सोनल ने हमारे शो में आके बहुत इस शुरुआत को और भी चार चांद लगा दिए हैं, तो विल डेफिनेटली कंटिन्यू जून का पूरा महीना डेडिकेटेड टू आवर फादर्स। कोई भी रिक्वेस्ट कभी भी देनी चाहे, कोई भी फादर देना चाहे, तो डेफिनेटली विल प्ले दैट ऑन द एयरवेव्स ऑफ रेडियो हॉट पेपर 1220 AM।
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे।
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं रोते, मैं हूं ना आपके साथ।
ये मेरे पापा के दोस्त है।
अच्छा, नमस्ते। नमस्ते।
आपका बर्थडे कब है?
मीठी मीठी बातों से वो
एक दूसरे की जान है, इनका प्यार यहाँ की शान है।
हो प्यारी अदाओं से वो दिल बहलाता है।
दुनिया में आते जाते वो प्यार लुटाता है।
सागर ने पूछा नैया से, नैया ने पूछा खेवैया से,
सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा।
पापा, तेरे पापा।
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है?
पापा, तेरे पापा।
पापा, तेरे पापा।
दैट वॉज पापा मेरे पापा। बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना सुन रहे थे आप इस मूवी से जिसका नाम है मैं ऐसा ही हूँ। एंड मूवी में फीचराइज्ड हैं अजय देवगन, सुष्मिता सेन। बहुत ही खूबसूरत मूवी, अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी है तो ज़रूर देखें। बट इसी के साथ हमारा ये खूबसूरत पापा वाला सेगमेंट भी खत्म